Hey guys, it's Eric G from Around the House Show. Do you have water in your basement or crawl space? Do you have that water coming in and you have no idea how to fix it? Have you called those foundation experts and they've given you a very expensive solution? I've got a tip that most of the time will reduce it or fix this altogether without spending that kind of money. But first, hey guys, make sure you follow Around the House Show. We've got our podcast and television show. Make sure you follow us here on YouTube, of course. Now, here's the thing. When you've got water in the basement or crawl space, it can be scary. And when those foundation companies come out, I tell you what, it can be very scary. $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 fixes. But before you do that, here's my greatest tip that fixes this. Here's the thing. If you've got gutters and downspouts and that water is dropping right next to the foundation, that could be your biggest problem. You think about it, in an inch of rain, you could have 500 gallons or more sitting down there with a couple downspouts, and that could be a huge problem because you're putting it right next to the foundation. You're just asking for a leak. So here's the thing. Put that into a below-grade storm drain system. That will send the water out at least 10 feet, and that could fix the problem. So here's all you do, is you take that downspout, dig a hole and a trench out, well, before you dig, out at least 10 feet away, downhill if you can, or even better, towards a low point in your ground or towards a street if your city or county will allow it. And that way, you get that water moved down. You can put a nice little pop-up in your yard. It'll water the lawn and keep the water away from your foundation. That right there could be a quick and easy problem for you to fix. And you know something? It's very inexpensive to do. And you can do it yourself or hire a landscaper. That way, you don't flood that basement or crawl space on your next heavy rain or on the East Coast if you're getting a hurricane. Thanks for tuning in to Around the House. Make sure and follow us and subscribe. I appreciate you. We'll see you next time.